Let's animate on Scratch. Previously, we practiced the movement of the characters, and we use as a backdrop some examples that we can find on the library on Scratch. But today we are going to practice drawing our own scenario or backdrop. As you can see here, I can move the characters using the keyboard, and I am going to adjust something that I didn't before. As you see, when I move the character, it changes the position. So I am going to go to the sprite, I am going to select here, and I am going to see that in here I have three options of rotation. One, in the one that turns around, the second, that change the position, and the third, this one, to keep always the same drawing. So I am going to use the second one, and it's an easiest way to make it look a little better when they are moving, like this. Now, to draw my scenario, I am going to go here and click on the paintbrush to draw my own scenario. And using the different tools that I have in here, similar like in Paint, I'm going to start drawing what I want as a scenario. In this case, I'm going to try to make a maze. It's important for you to remember that if you want to make a maze or something similar, it's necessary to use solid colors. Because the spaces on my maze are smaller than my characters, I am going to come here and I use this block to make my character smaller. Remember, the block is set size, and I change for the percentage I want. In this case, I am going to try 30, but this character is not small enough, so I'm going to change for 20, and now I am going to see that, okay, perfect, it doesn't touch any border when try to pass through two different lines blue. Now I am going to think in something creative to make with my animation or my game. So in here I am going to change this touching for touching the color, and I am going to select the color of the walls on my scenario. And I am going to write that move back. So it moves 4 steps front, it's going to move now minus 4 steps. And it's going to say I can't also when it touches the blue color. So let's see. Perfect. Now only works in one direction because I need to use the same in the other block. So I am going to delete this part, copy paste, delete, copy paste, and finally I have the same for the 4 directions. Now when I go up, down, left, or right, always when touches the blue color appears the message I can't. Of course, in this animation the cat can go anywhere on the scenario. Only the girl have this message when touches the blue one. Now is your time to design your own scenario and challenges for your sprites.